ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन, what we are doing today, ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਨਬਾਕਸਿੰਗ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ BIGTREETECH Pi for makers by makers. Okay, so here is the heatsink, wire, antenna, packaging here. Here is this is BIGTREETECH Pi 1.2. So it has a H161 chip and Kingston RAMs, powered by USB Type C or whatever, 24 volt or 12 volt directly in here. So this is the Pi, and the box is here, and we get some speakers and things. We already checked it. The rubber duck is there, so I already open it, check it. So what we saw here is a mention Pi 1.2 version is here. So I have a Raspberry Pi 4B is here. So this is why, because I want to check the mounting hole. Okay, आपका mounting hole check करने भी ये holes ने mount similar कर दिया कि नहीं कर दिया. Different Type 3 USB, Type 2 USB 2.0, 3.0 and 2.0. LAN cable is there. Everything is there. Okay, headphone jack is there. HDMI is there. Okay, for some few extra jack is there, but the mounting hole is not similar. Mounting hole is not similar. Okay, so first thing first, the this is only a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. This is 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Okay, so here is a built-in antenna, and you should attach Wi-Fi antenna here for the coverage. SD card here, stuff here, all the stuff here. The wire is something belongs to here. For the display is here, some kind of a different display. It's not a CSI. This is some kind of a SPI display. So here is a CSI display, and look, the power is from right side and this power is from left side. Everything is here. Oh, this has a different. This is a large heat sink. Maybe good for a large heat sink. Heat dissipator is a much more. Headphone is here, almost similar. This is a different chip. Okay, so this is the Pi BIGTREETECH Pi 1.2. Next, flashing or something else, and we use it. Let's see what we can do with this. Thank you for watching. I bought it, no sponsor video, so I spend my own money. So here is all comparisons here. 1 GB RAM, all the stuff is here. What is this here? All the GPIO pins, CNC fan interface, everything is here. So this wireless comes with the ADXL system. that owned by the BQ. Okay, 5 volt power supply, 12 volt or 24 volt power supply is here, Ethernet is here, antenna is here, all specification is here, inbox is here. So I bought it. There's a no paid promotion something. Every opinion, everything is my own. I bought it. I give my honest opinion. Okay, here you can. So please support me. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Thanks for support. And next, I prepare it and flash it, and the next things I'll do it. Please like, share, and subscribe, please.